brown one there. Big one. The boss. Oh gosh. Once remember me I have to big up Pete. Big up O'Neal Famous, the boss. Rubber Dub Thursday are the place to be. Every Thursday you tune into Rubber Dub Thursday. Every Thursday is a new artist. I have to endorse that because I watch them, I subscribe to them, and I would, if you guys into, I want to know certain artists. When you
like any new artists, like you would have to say?
Me not really into the new artists. Them
is there one that
some of them beat them not too bad because they kind of left it dance and gone into one kind of trap. Kind of something with them a beat and I mean, me lift my crown to the man them who they find that something there because it a beat right now.
Yeah.
And some of the older artists them not really can vibe with it. But whoever catch on, me like that. How about them?
Who's your guys' favorite artist? Enough on him. What's your favorite artist? Draw me a kind of artist. Never mind. He came out like when I was like in high. That's cool. What's your favorite?
Who's your favorite artist?
Alkaline.
So you expect the camera to hear you want to talk like that?
Oh, Alkaline is my favorite artist.
No way.
Yes way.
Who's your favorite Jamaican artist?
I already told you, Busy.
It's Busy. And you guys know who
Busy.
mine is.
Busy.
Mine is Energy God.
Busy,
I will dye my hair for you.
Busy are the man. I one of the man that put in.
What's your favorite song? I know you're gonna say freaking Picante. Tinkling on That's
when we were young.
That was the baddest one. What do you mean?
I heard it the other day.
Yeah, but me personally still, I'm not really, you know, me love my artists them, but me love as the singers.
Yeah, who's your favorite? Yeah.
Me can't tell you. Because Franny music good, me did it. Yes. So me not have no favorite thing I sing of them. All I am and them good.
But do you have like, okay, with meeting all of them, do you have like a favorite one that you met and you're like that was your favorite time, you know?
I think to get to know them,
yeah, like just meeting them and they were just like a good vibe type.
You know what say right now, say out of all artists them when me meet one-on-one. You see different from Gregory Isaac. Cause that little man will come on, he will come on here, so you know, and he like, him just move different.
Yeah.
And if you don't know you, him I go give you a name. That's the thing with him. When me like, because I met Gregory through a virgin who me know, who used to come to St. Elizabeth and come check that man there. And him want him little weed and thing. And that the man there, when he in there back that side there. So yes, me met Gregory through that. Very nice guy, very jovial and everything. I think I wouldn't classify him as a guy. He's a man. I mean like, very nice man. Yeah. And if he come on and you're there and him have a food, I'm gonna make you think.
Okay.
That with Gregory. Yeah, but out of all the artists that when me do a one-on-one with Buju. I met Buju here.
You met Buju
here? Yes.
Now we're talking.
You guys small, so no.
I only met two artists.
I have a shirt for a long time. I should have still have that shirt. That is signature for me. Yes. He gave me autograph right across it here.
Wow.
And I mean, when I met him,
was he just growing the dreads, or the hair was cut short?
He did the both, yeah, so.
Okay, that was like.
He come here, come do a few shows.
Was this at Rainbow?
And when I met him, I don't remember exactly where it was at the time. It's a while now. And I was working at a restaurant over in La Salle there, Tropical Plated Call, and they was catering for him. And he come there.
Tall motherfucker.
Tall
man.
Careful.
Yeah,
tall.
Sorry. Tall man, right?
Tall.
Yeah.
I mean, when he come in, this man come in and roll a blades.
Yo, he don't care.
Yeah. And Stripey, you know, Stripey Marina. Very nice man, and I reason with him and chat with him. Different from Ninja, you know, because he can't take it from Ninja.
He's very like...
And Ninja socialize with youths. So So Ninja number one, but different from Ninja, a Buju. Yes. So me only attack off of my experience with it.
When I see him talk, he's very like, I would say like almost like a poet too. When it comes to his records and his stuff like that, it's very, you know.
You know who is a nice lady too? Two nice lady me meet too. Two I stand up and talk with. I hug them. I take picture with them. Cecile.
Oh, you met Cecile?
And I meet Itana. Yeah. You know which guy I did find a bit cocky was oh gosh, Rashilo. I understand the difference with him because he's an American, so I mean, I maybe never, you know, but he never did want to take the picture, you know.
Wow.
Yeah. Yeah, man, we meet a lot of the people there. Ching Ching, I met him too.
What? You did not meet Ching Ching.
Yeah.
I didn't know dance with Ching Ching.
Yo,
let him do it.
I met a lot of guys, man. One on one. Yeah, meet them.
That was. What?
Shabba.
You did not. You did not.
General.
You did not meet him.
Yes.
Wow.
Right here.
Right here.
Right here in Montreal.
That's those times where
James Lynn High School over there, sir.
What was that at the time?
You never done no 1 year word.
What was that at the time?
Yeah.
This guy met the whole Jamaica.
Shabba.
Have you met, he's actually from, he's from where you're from. What's his name?
I think I met Shabba a little bit before he clashed with Ninja back in the early 90s.
Oh my god. You didn't meet Charlie Black, huh?
No. Them are more newer era.
Yeah, he's, I want to say, 2008?
No, me not meet him. I like a few of them too.
But he's from your area though. He's from where you're from.
Okay. Yeah, man, I meet...
I only met two artists. I only met two artists. I kind of didn't like just the way... I don't hate him. He's a good artist. I don't want to knock on... I met Ding Dong. This was when he I can't even say he just started music, but he was just like getting big. This was like 2000.
When he start with what, dancing?
No, Bad
Man
Forward was out. But this is when
I remember I said Ding Dong started, you know, dancing, you know.
Yeah.
no, he had a song that was hitting around. It was when the music was there, but it wasn't as popping, I would say, but he had a song, My Cup, My Cup. That was the tune at the time, 2000.
I want artists really want to meet and pray for meet, man. I never meet. That man is a Garnet Silk, man. I didn't want to meet that man.
Yo, I heard some good
I
things about that guy.
In a peak at time when me no one would have meet this man. This man is an angel, you know.
Yo, I heard
The man cast on land for reason, you know. And he gone for a reason too. Yeah. Man, the powerful man.
Garnet Silk. How was Shaka Demus in them?
Shaka, well, you want Shaka, them. Shaka good at thing, you know. Them cool and alright, but them man, you know, them man, they like, you have to deal with them if you see them.
Yeah.
Because them man, they rarely seen because them man, they do show all over the world. And I mean, with them man, if they not up on the show, you're not going to see them like that. Yeah. Pliers too. Yeah. Me meet Pliers during me meet Pliers.
Was it a feature for them or are they a group, you would say?
You mean Shaka Demus and Pliers?
Yeah. Were they a group
Or
or were they like
artists.
single artists? Like
I think
okay, here we are.
Separate artists.
Are two separate artists, them do different show, but them do them shows together.
okay.
Because you what now, you may have this show yes or no where just one Shaka Demus. I remember I said Pliers is a singer, you know. And you have a show where you say we just want Pliers. You get what I say? And then you have another show over there so we want the two of them together.
So they just come.
Because Shaka Demus in first do it, me mean in first in music when me know him with them. Me want to put it in a right perspective. It was him and Admiral Bailey first used to work as a team.
I remember Admiral Bailey.
If you don't know this old music, one Scotch, one Bergaman in the reggae version, and him and Admiral Bailey do that. Went #1, blow up the place. Yeah.
Wow.
And then break away, and then now him and Pliers.
Okay.
Yeah.
Do you have any? Now we're gonna step away from the dancehall. Have you met any hip hop artists or that you ever wanted to meet?
You know what say? Me no meet no hip hop artist.
Is there any hip hop artist that you're like, I would definitely want to meet, like you would say?
Look, enough for me time when me know of artists when me like, I never know hip hop. The rap.
Yeah, rap artists, hip hop.
Yeah.
Hip hop just come in.
Yeah.
Man.
Tupac.
Everyone, yeah.
#1.
Poet.
Big Daddy Kane.
I know that was
Understand?
your guy. Put on the
Yes.
suits with the
Big Daddy
cane.
Heavy D. God rest him soul.
That's
too.
a Jamaican man too.
Yeah, man. So all of them guys there, LL, Cool J,
Yeah.
all them guys there. You know, Randy MC, you know.
Yeah.
Where one there with the big cock around his face, you know, whatever.
Flavor Flav.
Flavor. And them
I heard
guys
he
there.
came down there here.
Yeah, them come here, but I mean, them time there, right, and like you ask me a question, so I'm going to answer you. I mean, those are some of the Funk Master Flex, them guys there, you know. Them guys are real dupes and everything.
Yeah.
But you see, when me come here in the early part, that's a Big Daddy King was the man, man.
Was the man, yes.
Big Daddy King.
I
man.
heard.
Yeah. Yeah, Big Daddy King was the man. Yeah,
Like,
the boss of people.
Rakim. You know Rakim and them? Rakim, is it Rakim and Eric B?
I know all I'm and them, me familiar with him.
No, New York dude and stuff. No, but like he wouldn't be with you.
Because I don't know, say, Jamaica, them something that come from
Yeah.
them place. You know,
I think is he more
Randy
younger?
MC and Funk Man.
So he made you want to get the Adidas? These.
No, Adidas brand is a brand we've
Yeah.
been for a long time. It's an old school brand. You know. I know today
Who's another? There's a lot. There's a lot of artists, man.
Yeah, so I mean, like for me, I was just.
Have you met anyone?
Well,
Not yet.
she not exposed like that yet, but she hopefully will.
But yeah, I met only
never
two.
met.
Who you wish to meet or anything like that?
I'll
It's
fly
Chris
for real.
Brown, man.
Chris Brown?
Yeah.
That's Elephant Man friend, eh?
Who?
Chris
Chris
Brown.
Brown. I love Chris
I
Brown.
don't love Chris Brown.
So
Oh, we are talking about the girls, them now, you know.
Chris
Got
Brown
all
is
know.
good.
Chris Brown's a genius. Don't play with him.
Listen.
He's a genius.
No, we are talking about the girls, them now.
You know what this man did?
Well,
Had a meet and greet. You know how much him charge them for a picture? $1,000 and them pay. He's a smart man. He knows what he's doing.
yeah. Me know, I've been rating me now. Me rate Chris Brown. But I mean,
He's smart.
He's talented, man.
You know?
He's very
Yeah.
Not just in
talented.
music, man.
But we need to talk about some of the girls, them, like Queen Latifah, Eve.
Oh my
you know,
God. Love
Eve
Mrs.
is my girl.
Elliott, all of them
Dude.
girls.
And-
The raw girl Kim, I like those girls.
Yeah.
Kim?
I know Kim she name, Little Kim. Little Kim. Yeah.
Because I was like, who is Raw Gal Kim?
Yeah. Little Kim raw.
I said, I don't know that name.
Should have care.
I love Little Kim. I love
What?
Little Kim.
Yeah.
Um,
Them girls are lyrical.
Yeah.
You understand?
Lady of Rage, you remember her?
Yeah, but
With the
yeah,
Afro puffs?
I'm like the salt and pepper guys them.
Guys, that?
Yeah.
These are girls. Whoa.
Guys them.
TLC.
Pause.
Them pretty.
TLC. I love it.
TLC them did good too.
I love
yeah.
TLC. Escape.
My favorite one passed early.
Left eye.
Yeah.
I know.
Yeah.
My favorite
Rest
was
in
T-Ball.
power, girl.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. I did like the one there. What's your name again? The one who crashing on the plane there.
Aaliyah.
Aaliyah.
I can't say
Yeah.
it, but she would have been bigger than Beyonce. I'm just saying.
Yes.
You know, so yeah, some of them.
Oh, yeah,
girls,
that's
no, left
That's
out.
the-
No, left out. My girl out there, you know.
Who?
No, thing here. What's your name?
Oh.
Oh, Alicia.
No. Alicia Keys and me dupes.
Oh my, Alanda loved her too.
Alicia Keys and me
Alanda
dupes.
Who's this other
I
girl?
don't know.
Ooh.
Alanda loved her too.
Rihanna.
Oh, Riri.
Of course, you can't leave out the Caribbean girl.
Yeah.
Rihanna.
I love Rihanna.
Rihanna, I'm a general, you know.
I
Oh,
love
you
her.
don't
Oh
know.
God.
No chattings, you know. That me I tell you.
I heard she smells really nice. Everyone says it. Like,
Yo, Rihanna, me dupes.
I know she.
Yeah, I like
Her
her
brand?
too.
That girl took
What?
Oh my God.
Ah,
Oh,
she big too.
clothing,
everybody loved her stuff.
makeup.
But listen, I want to tell
Smart.
you, I'm done with the man artist, you know.
Okay.
Because Jay-Z, I'm an artist, you know.
Why did I?
You
know
see,
that?
you see
I
Master
like
P?
Jay-Z.
Now you're talking.
You see Dr. Dre?
Now you're
Okay.
Them
talking.
boy, they have a food sit down pan, you know.
Oh my god.
Them boy, they, them
Who
boy,
else is
they
good
look.
Do I have a favorite?
Respect to the man, them,
favorite.
yeah, man. The man, the big.
What?
Do I have a favorite hip hop artist? Do I know?
Yo, these guys good, man.
Fabulous.
With the chip tooth, yeah, of course. When you, they have a podcast now. Really good.
I'm a red Busta Rhyme.
That is a Caribbean you girl.
Yeah.
Of course you love him. It's my very Jamaican.
Yeah.
The red
You
Busta
ever
Rhyme.
hear him speak
Yeah,
that one?
Yo.
Of course he loves him.
What? That's the man that a business. No chattings and you no cap when him attack. You
No.
just deal with it. So I just,
You see when the man had to go to the bathroom and this girl cussed him out, he said, you pause, cussed her back and said, I have to go to the bathroom. Like,
yo,
Busta Rhymes.
a man have a metal pan him body.
you see that?
We say, Jaja, that one there.
Can you share? Like, no,
Man
this
have
is
a
change.
some metal pan him body.
I'm like,
brother.
how are you walking with that not dropping over?
Yo.
No,
Man,
but
that man
they
they
did.
just-
Did you watch the awards they did for him in dedication? to
Yeah,
him?
man.
That
Them
was
man, they
really
just
nice.
powerful, man.
Yeah.
Man, them powerful, man.
I
Not
heard he's-
words, man. Not them voice, everything.
I heard he's
about
like a really humble guy too.
all of them, man. Yeah, man, the humble man, and I mean, friend, you do a music and them, man. You can't make a speech on them and they rate your thing. And just acknowledge you. Honor you. With respect.
Who is faster, him or Twista? That's a good question.
I don't
Who's
know.
faster? You know Twista, right, Dad?
Me don't know if them win.
Twista, he's a South one. He's a South. He's like he
He
did kind of a little bit of the fast,
Yeah,
right? No, you don't really. The
exactly.
Twista is more the hip hop, I would say.
So guys, we just dip back in at some of our old memories from back in the days, and I mean, them asking me some question pertaining to
Wait, is there? Because this guy did every style with the hip hop too, so he knows actually.
Ooh.
You with the gear. This one followed with the hip hop trends. He had the nets. He did the nets.
Remember the long tees?
He did the long tees. He did man did the Cameron pink shirt too.
Oh my,
Jeez.
pink hat and everything.
Pink hat. Cameron had him in a twister.
Yo, you got disgusting.
Dad.
What's wrong with you?
You think we don't know? You
You
know
know
Cameron. Of
Cameron
course you know who
those
Cameron is. Diplomats.
Yes,
Get
I do
sex.
know him, man. Yo, listen. I was just vibing back then, and I mean, like.
No, you were
man,
really.
Man,
Yeah,
young
Cameron
and
was
have
up to
energy,
style.
so we have to do what we have to do. Me never know someone did I watch it.
No, not me.
Dad, even canceled the shirt. I love the shirt.
Me never know someone did I watch it. It just did that.
Dad, you think we don't know what a throwback next jersey is? Of course we knew what that was. Yo.
I want to put my hand on some of those jerseys. I don't even know where some of those things go.
You sold most of them and stuff.
London,
Yeah.
they get a lot of stuff.
Yeah.
Yo,
But you
no,
can buy
what
them.
happened? I gave away a lot of stuff too.
Yeah, but I remember you selling a few too. You weren't gonna wear
Remember
that,
the big
you know?
red Gino Green boho?
But if you bring out a Nets jersey right now, ooh, take off.
was-
Gina Green,
Gino Green,
Pepe,
Yes.
Pele.
Pele,
Yes.
Pele. My dad bought me.
Sean Jan.
Bought me
Yes.
my
When
first
Sean
Pele
Jan come out,
London
there,
gear.
no,
Everyone
but
used to hate me.
there's another one that I did rate with
There's Johnny Blaze.
This girl hit me up with this brand because she liked the brand and she realized that me I beat the brand. I don't even remember the name now. And it was an exclusive brand.
Coogee?
No!
It's not Coogee.
No,
Coogee
you had
It wasn't a loud brand, but it was exclusive. You're not going to see anybody in it.
Johnny.
No, it's not no Johnny Blaze. Johnny Blaze was good.
Yeah.
Rockaware was good. But you used to have another rock. What was it again?
But like, the gear went with the music. You had to like do that, like to know, like.
Yeah, I mean, when the vibe there was on, yes.
Yeah.
But look how long that was though.
And it's on
We
right now.
can't go back in it like that again. You know,
Of course you
remember,
can.
Ibrahim not allow me to go so deep again.
If I dash in my jersey.
Ibrahim not allow me to go back again.
But no, he went.
Enough of these boys both here, them are gonna say, oh, back then the thing was foolish. It wasn't no foolishness.
No, you're
it
wearing
was just
it now.
happening then.
Like-
and see, come back right now.
Yeah,
See,
and you're wearing it.
you understand?
You're wearing
Me
it.
just not in it like that, like
Anymore,
then. But
like-
I mean, like, because I remember
They're
when I
wearing
catch
old-
myself
the
stop doing
old
those
style,
kind of
and
stuff.
not-
Yeah, I
don't
remember,
know
like-
anything about it.
Someone,
You know?
Crazy.
someone was like to me, because I have 2 Von Dutch hats, and they're like, "Oh, that's new school." I'm like, actually,
Von
it's
Dutch
not.
is
What are you talking about? I had my first Von Dutch hat when I was 11 in high school, and it wasn't real. Like,
So,
and these were all Y2K stuff. Like,
and what I used to wear then, it wasn't bullshit. It
no,
was real shit.
Yeah.
Yes. So,
I only got my.
I mean, we go through stages. I'm an old man now, still looking young, but I do my days where girls say yes.
Oh my god!
Yes.
Oh my god!
Until me say no now to the whole heap of something there. You know, come
You
out
just
to the
grow.
spotlight.
You
But
grow up.
you meet upon people, you know, where don't even know the half, the quarter to much less the half, and them are going to say, oh, you bullshit, because they only know of you. They don't know you. There's a difference between knowing someone
And knowing
know
of someone. Yes.
You understand?
Very
When you
much
know
different.
someone, you can tell a story. You can give a declaration.
My dad doesn't wear bullshit. I
Understand?
know that for a fact.
If most of the people them right now, somebody say, do you know Ricky? Them are going to say Fat Ricky. Or Ricky will cook. Nothing else. But the person who know me, I can't tell me from way back when. The only person who wouldn't be able to tell you from way back when, unless they never really dig deep to understand.
Or you had to sit down a real
Yeah.
conversation with them.
I mean, I'm not go out unless me think coordinate. In a life, everything all over the place. Biased people will tell you bullshit. But I was one of the man here who used to put myself in a order. I still do that to me. You know that. You know that. You know that. I know that if as much as it is right now, step out and enough boy I go turn up there. Yeah. I just say you know. We have to go through stages, so I guess.
That's what it is.
Yeah. But all me no regret my time. All me can do right now, we can do that little bit more money. But that's it. Me not really.
Yeah, for
that's
sure.
just how I
Yeah.
don't regret nothing how me live my life.
2
I
different
go
times.
anywhere me want to go. Meet people all over the world. Do the, you know, do they do. So.
But is there a hip hop or a time in those times that you're like, if it came back again, you're like, you wouldn't mind?
No, me never really look.
No,
no.
you never. Yeah.
Me never really look. Not even like that, cause like me say, I was a dancer. Me used to love music. Me used to do a lot of stuff I used to do.
That's where I go.
A lot of stuff I used to do. Me used to like sport. Me used to run. I used to fast on my foot. Yes, all those things. I used to enjoy those things. Yeah. So people are gonna look at you and say, but no, you're big and fat.
That's
No,
something to do
me
with
not
it.
watch that. People go through stages, and once you go through it, your body will change. You understand me? You can't keep yourself where if you're there, you know. And right now, Me don't really care. Me just
No,
want
but
to
I
know
remember
something
those good memories, though, man. You had all the movies. That's how I learned how to dance, bro. Like that.
Yeah, because I used
Kareem?
to.
He knew how to dance, and he's the one who taught us.
I
how to dance.
used to have I used to do the dancehall stuff and
Yeah.
things like that. So the new
Medusa,
all
all of them.
When me I say all of this come from me loving music.
No, yeah, because you had the stage
You
shows.
understand?
You had
Because
I
all
see
of
my
it do when me do are before all of that. Yes. So this thing what we are talking about now as in the stage show and the stuff like that come after.
No, it was before.
No.
The
Me a
stage.
talk, when me a talk about what we no, listen
Years.
to what me a say.
All ninja man have on one cowboy boot type
Yeah,
of
but
suit,
when me a
man.
say all of my trending thing them different from the up here stuff, that was way before this.
Oh yeah, that's what I'm saying. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, but I remember seeing. I was young. Listen how my mind work and my mind good. I seen my first stage show. You had it on, and I said it was either Beanie or Ninja Man in one boot. Man said, "Come up here."
I maybe being in that
I-
boat.
No, it was like it had to be Ninja or him. It was like they had on like it looked like one cowboy like.
Well, a ninja.
Yeah.
With the frilly.
Yes.
Hey, I ninja.
It was a bad when you look at it for them times. It was, but then I look at it now. I'm like,
Yeah.
what it was for those times.
But ninja was ninja.
Yeah, it was for.
And a lot of people patterning style and copying style and all kind of stuff.
No, but it wasn't.
And a lot of people did that living in shadow.
It was a clash with him. It had to been Beanie. It had to been Beanie, I think, at the
Being
time.
and ninja never clash.
No, because
until,
there's-
until way up there and do their little thing. But
I don't know. It was a sound clash with one, and I remember the suit. It had like frilly brown, and it was like a cream, and the boot.
I remember I was trying to I forget that show.
You see
I
how
forget
that?
what year is that show.
That I was like
remember.
4 years old. How do I remember that? My memory good. I was young.
Yeah.
Yeah, but those. And then I heard a lot. I remember a lot of Buju in the background.
Story